Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to fix Grok AI high demand error. So let's get started. If you're getting the high demand error in Grok AI and it's not loading or working properly, don't worry. This usually happens when your browser has stored outdated cache or cookies, or when too many users are accessing the service at the same time. To fix it, first open the browser where you use Grok AI. Now, click the three dots in the top right corner and open Settings. Next, go to Privacy and Security. Click on Delete Browsing Data or Clear Browsing Data. Set the time range to all time. Make sure cookies and cached images and files are selected, then click Delete Data or Clear Data. Wait for the process to finish. Once it's done, close your browser completely and open it again. Now visit Grok AI and check if the high demand error is gone. If you're still having the same problem, try using a different browser or make sure your internet connection is stable. That's it. This is the easiest way to fix the Grok AI high demand error. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.